Hello and welcome to my channel, where I talk about legal issues and topics that affect you and your rights. Today I'm going to talk about 18-wheeler accident lawyer San Antonio, and why you might need one if you are involved in a crash with a big rig truck. 18-wheelers, also known as semi-trucks, tractor-trailers, or big rigs, are huge vehicles that can weigh up to 80,000 pounds and carry tons of cargo. They are essential for transporting goods and products across the country, but they also pose a serious risk to other drivers on the road. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, there were 4,119 fatalities and 95,000 injuries in crashes involving large trucks in 2019. Of those fatalities, 67% were occupants of passenger vehicles, while only 16% were occupants of large trucks. So what makes 18-wheeler accidents so dangerous and deadly? Well, there are several factors, such as the size and weight of the truck makes it harder to stop, maneuver, and avoid collisions. The cargo of the truck, which can be hazardous, flammable, or explosive, and cause more damage or injuries in a crash. The driver of the truck may be fatigued, distracted, impaired, or inexperienced, and make errors or violations that lead to a crash. The trucking company, which may be negligent, reckless, or fraudulent, and do not maintain, inspect, or repair the truck, or pressure the driver to meet unrealistic deadlines or quotas. As you can see, 18-wheeler accidents are not simple or straightforward. They involve multiple parties, complex laws, and large insurance policies. That's why you need an 18-wheeler accident lawyer who can help you navigate the legal process and fight for your rights and compensation. An 18-wheeler accident lawyer is a personal injury lawyer who specializes in handling cases involving big rig trucks. They have the knowledge, experience, and resources to investigate the crash, figure out the cause and liability, collect and preserve evidence, negotiate with the insurance companies, and represent you in court if necessary. They can help you recover damages for your medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, property damage, and more. But how do you find the best 18-wheeler accident lawyer San Antonio for your case? Well, there are some things you should look for, such as their reputation and track record of success in handling 18-wheeler accident cases, their credentials and qualifications, such as their education, training, certification, and membership in professional associations, their communication and availability, such as how they respond to your calls, emails, or messages, and how often they update you on your case, their fees and expenses, such as how they charge for their services, whether they offer a free consultation, and whether they work on a contingency basis, meaning they only get paid if you win. To help you with your search, I have compiled a list of some of the top 18-wheeler accident lawyers in San Antonio, based on their web search results. These are Law Offices of Pat Maloney, PC, which is the oldest plaintiff's law firm in San Antonio, with a proven 99% success rate and millions of dollars in settlements and verdicts for 18-wheeler accident victims. Hill Law Firm, which is a San Antonio personal injury law firm that specializes in 18-wheeler accidents, with a small team that can get you big results and a 24/7 availability to answer your questions. Kalfa's Law Group LLC, which is a team of 18-wheeler accident lawyers in San Antonio that can help you get the most out of your case with a free consultation and a contingency fee arrangement. Of course, these are not the only 18-wheeler accident lawyers in San Antonio, and you should do your own research and comparison before hiring one. But these are some of the best options that I found, and I hope they can help you with your case. Now, before I end this video, I want to talk a little bit about the hardships and difficulties that 18-wheeler drivers face at their jobs, and how they are treated and underpaid. I know that some of you may think that 18-wheeler drivers are the bad guys, or that they oversee most of the crashes on the road, but that's not true. Most 18-wheeler drivers are diligent, professional, and safe drivers who do their best to deliver their cargo on time and without incident. However, they also face a lot of challenges and risks, such as long and irregular hours can disrupt their sleep patterns, affect their health, and cause fatigue and drowsiness, stress and pressure, which can come from the trucking companies, the shippers, the receivers, the traffic, the weather, and the deadlines, low pay and benefits, which can vary depending on the type of trucking, the distance, the cargo, and the company, but are often not enough to cover the expenses and the risks of the job. Lack of respect and appreciation, which can come from the public, the law enforcement, the regulators, and even the trucking industry itself, who often blame the drivers for the accidents, violations, or delays. These are some of the signs and concerns of driver fatigue with big rigs, and why driving an 18-wheeler is not easy or glamorous. It is a demanding and dangerous job that requires a lot of skill, patience, and responsibility. So the next time you see an 18-wheeler on the road, please be courteous, respectful, and careful, and give them enough space and time to do their job safely. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new and useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more legal tips and advice. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.